A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is Monday, January 23rd, and we're at my Fidelity Net Benefits login screen, and we about to go into this Rollover IRA and see what it do. It is secret code time. What is the secret code? Let's put it in. Close your eyes. We're going to see what this account is doing in the new year, 2023. All right, we are in. And before I get going, I want you guys to look at this real big number right over here to the left. Over $900,000. $937,622.95. Kind of, sort of, almost close to $1 million. And this is something that you guys can do. Everything I do is for you. So don't think you can't do it. I did it. I started off with $1, and I'm about to go into details and show you guys at the end of the video how you can do it too. This is a beginner's website, and we all had to start with $1. So I'm here to put money in your pocket. So let's start getting that money in your pocket. But I do have a favor to ask. Did you know if you hit that subscribe, like, and share button on this video, it helps me to keep helping you. Everything I do is for free, and it's free and easy for you to hit them buttons right now. Please hit the buttons. The more buttons you press on your phone, your computer, your iPad, the more people I can reach. All right, so first thing we want to do is jump all the way into the rollover account. So we got to do some clicking. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to check out dividends. We're going to click on activity and orders. And we want to sort for the last 4 weeks. So time period, we're going to do a custom time period. And here are my dividends in the last 4 weeks. Let me show you what you're looking at. Over here to the left is the date. These are the dates that I received my dividend. Description. These are names of all the companies that paid me the dividend and the amount. This is how much each dividend is worth. So my very first dividend is Dollar General, $8.83. And the second dividend, Eagle Materials, $2.01 for a grand total of $10.84. I love getting dividends. You should love getting dividends too. And the reason is, even if the stock price goes down, and we always want it to go up, but even if it goes down, if that dividend is there, you get that dividend. So always look for stocks that pay dividends, but make sure they're quality stocks, because a company can take that dividend away anytime they want to. And if it's a quality company, they always keep that dividend. Matter of fact, typically they'll raise the dividend maybe a couple of times per year. You never know. Dividends, dividends, dividends. All right, did I buy any stocks? No. Did I sell anything? No. All right, let's go up to the top. We want to compare where I was 4 weeks ago to where I am now. So we're going to positions, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, because we want to see what that number is. So we want to compare this number right here, $183,152.08, to where we were 4 weeks ago. So we're going to stocks and rentals, and we are going to find the last update. So we're talking the beginning of the year. So we're talking January 1st. We're going to click right here. And now we're going to find the Rollover IRA. So where was I at the beginning of the year? $171,000. $31.43. Guess what? I think we made some money in 4 weeks. We're going to take it back to where we are now. And the difference is $12,120.65. That is over $10,000 in 4 weeks. So you can say $12,000 I made in 1 month, all passive profit. Passive means all I did was click here, click there, buy the stock. Ain't no sweating, ain't no lifting nothing heavy. It ain't even working out. All you got to do is click, buy good quality stocks, and hope the price goes up and you making a passive profit. Let's talk about how much money did I make today. Yep, I made some money today because we are in the green. I made $3,159.42. Over $3,000 in 1 day. I'll take that. I like that. This is something that you guys can do. Like I told you, I'm going to break it down at the end of the video. You're going to see it all. But right now, we want to find my best performing stock and my least performing stock. So we're going to scroll up. And my best performing stock is all the way at the top. So let's go up here. Right here. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Percent gain, 9.21%. How much money is that? $122.74. I made that much money on just one stock today. Now I got a bad stock, so we got to find out. We got to go all the way down to the bottom because I like to show you how the stock market works. You're going to have the good with the bad. So we about to talk about the bad. Where is that bad one? It is right here. TORM, stock ticker TRMD. I was down almost 6%. I lost $50.82. Like I told you, guys hate the good with the bad. But we are about to do my famous slow scroll because I don't want to show you just my best stock and my least performing stock. I want to show you everything I got. So we're going to go up to the top and we're going to scroll through everything because I am transparent. I show you how the stock market really works. All right, before we start scrolling, I got to break down what you guys are looking at. Over here to the left, it says symbols. These are all the stocks that I own. Last price. This is the price that the stock closed at today in the stock market at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's gain or loss. This is how much money I made or lost today. Total gain or loss. This column is telling you how much money I made or lost since I very first bought the stock. Current value. This is the total of each stock that I own, the total amount. So Apple stock, the total value is over $57,000. Quantity. These are the number of shares that I own of each stock. Cost basis. You can sort of kind of almost look at this as the average price I paid per share. All right, so we're going to start scrolling. One thing I want you guys to remember, this is a video. You can pause the video. You want to look at everything, but if I had to concentrate on 2 columns, I would concentrate right here on symbol because you guys want to know what stocks do I own, and then I will look at total gain or loss. This will let you know when I first bought the stock, am I successful? Am I green or am I red? If I'm green, that means I am making money. So some of these stocks I bought years ago and some more recent, but you're going to see way more green than red. Green is good. Remember, you can pause the video. And I also want to tell you guys, there are a lot of stocks in the stock market. I do not know every stock in the stock market. I don't own every stock. This ain't nothing. It's thousands of stocks in the stock market. And I want you guys to remember, it is your money. You have to determine what you want to buy. If you want to buy some of the stuff I got here, go ahead and buy it. But it's a lot of stuff out there. It's things I don't know about. So if you have a good stock that you like, Post a comment. Talk about it. Tell me what you're doing. All right. Let's talk some numbers. Here is my proof right here. If you are a long-term investor, you will win. Ever since I've owned this portfolio of stocks, I am up over 30%. I have over $40,000 profit. Again, this is just me clicking on stuff. This is passive income. This is like the easiest way to make money. You just got to get your account going and click. Be it your phone or your computer, it's still a click. Get paid. Total amount, I have over $183,000. That is a lot of money. And how can you do it? It starts with $1. It's super easy. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. I'm going to put a link down below in the description that will take you right here. New to stock investing, start here. Now there are 8 super easy steps. Let me fly through the steps. Please follow the steps. Get paid. Don't just look at the video and say, wow, that dude Raymond is making all the money. I wish I can do it. It ain't no wishing. All the steps are right here. Step number 1, I have a stock FAQ. If you have a question, I got the answers. All you got to do is click right here. Step number 2, you have to figure out what type of investor you are. I cannot tell you what type of investor you are. I don't know you. You have to figure that out, and how you figure that out, you can click right here. There are 3 types of investors, and I break them all down. Step number 3, you got to know some stock terms. You don't have to memorize them. All you got to do is click right here. It's going to be about 5 or 6 stock terms that pop up. They're very important. And these terms, these are all the terms that I knew when I started to get to over $180,000. Number 4, how do you figure out which stocks to buy? Click right here. I tell you where to go. I give you a lot of different websites and different techniques to figure out what type of stock you want to buy based on what type of investor you are. 5, before you start investing, what do you got to do? You got to open up a brokerage account. You got to fund it. You can go any place that you want to go to open up the account. I just want you to open it up, put your money in, and start buying your stocks. Click right here. I'll talk about the accounts. Number 6, I'll show you how to buy a stock. Number 7, I'll show you how to sell. And number 8, I got a lot of stuff on the website. You can go to Stock 401 Talk or Portfolio Tracking. Where do you find these 2 items? Right here in the menu. You click here, and here they are. Portfolio Tracking, Stock, and 401k Talk. I got everything covered. It's all about you. Everything I do is for free. I want to close this video out. You know how I'll do it. Let's go up to the top. I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. Why would I try to get money from you? Everything I do for free. Beware of anybody, especially if they're saying they got your back. You got people out here making videos, and I check them out because I want to see what the competition is doing, and I want to see if they really got your back and doing it for free. And they don't got your back because they're trying to charge you. They're going to sneak something in on you, try to do the okie doke. Click on this, take my class, give me some money, blah, blah, blah. I'm showing you I can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I don't need your money. I ain't greedy. You can get this money too. I'm Raymond, Stocks and Rentals. I'm out. Peace.
The button. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn